Okay, open the engine. HIRO! Oh no! Oh, why did you put the trees there? Oh no! Why did you put the trees on the track?
What the?
Well, you put the trees on the track.
What the? Ay!
Now HIRO got derailed. You see him inside? Look. He got derailed. Oh no.
Ay!
Go fix him.
Ay!
You need to get him out of the tunnel. Okay. There goes HIRO, the Japanese engine.
Oh no! She got derailed. What? Why the tree so strong? The tree is strong. The tree is so strong.
Okay, turn the engine on. Let's put this tree up. There goes HIRO.
Okay. The top and the roof. Oh no! She get derailed.
He got derailed again.
How you?
Pull him out. Pull him out.
Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
You make the truck a perfect truck. The truck. You need the truck to fix the truck. Have to fix the truck on the
Nice. Nice one, HIRO.
What the? Where she go?
Huh?
Where she go on the plastic? Oh,
Oh no.
she get the whale again. She get the whale.
The tree is making the ice car derailed.
Let's make the tree up. Make the tree up. Let's make the tree up. And then. There you go.
HIRO.
Ooh! What? Why she sat on the moon? What? Why she go on the thing? And she said, I want to make him go. I don't want to make him go. Ooh! Oh no! Oh no! I got the car.
And I see Henry and Thomas. Snow clearing Henry and snow clearing
What
Thomas.
the?
And there is snow clearing HIRO.
Oh no, she get the whales. She get the whales. Yeah, she get the whales.
He got derailed again.
Oh no, it's a stuck. It's right here with the with that,
Okay, do whatever you want.
and then
Do you want me to put a tape on this tree so the tree will not fall down all the time? Or it's okay. Look, Hiro's gonna be fine now. See? Woo-hoo! Yeah, Hiro! Nice one, Hiro! Yeah! Woohoo! There you go, Hiro! Whoa! Nice one!
Oh, what?
Why did you put it there? You're crazy.